17. Yup. Yan.
I get up on my bed and down on my knees I give thanks to the Lord and say my prayer. The doves are cooing and the bees are buzzing. I open my window and they flew away. On the table a cup of coffee and a bread. Music made me tap my toe and nod my head. The grass are green and the sky is blue. I can feel the cold breeze. Oh, what a lovely feeling. 'Cause it's a great day, it's a happy day. My heart is filled with love and hope. Oh, I rejoice. La 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 la. Let's celebrate the goodness and blessings of the Lord. La 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 la. This day I look at the stars, they're glaring at me. Oh, the glory of God, fill the heavenlies. The moon aglow as it gazes upon the sea. Though the night is deep, still my heart sings His praise. It's a great day, it's a happy day. My heart is filled with love and hope. Oh, I rejoice. La 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 la. Let's celebrate the goodness and blessings of the Lord. La 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 la. Oh, I pray God bless this day. Filled with love and hope. Oh, boy, it's true. La 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 la. Let's celebrate the goodness and blessings of the Lord. La 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 la. It's a happy day. It's a great day. It's a great day. It's a happy day. My heart is filled with love and hope. Oh, I rejoice. Celebrate the goodness and blessings of the Lord. La 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 la. Oh, I pray God bless this day.
And then you cut it into pieces. Yung kabilang shell.
It's brown. Yeah. Ay. Ito yung sabaw ng ano,
Shrimp.
sabaw ng ulo ng shrimp.
Pinagpakuluan sa ulo.
Yup.
Pinagpakuluan.
Pinagpakuluan. Yup.
This is the
Yan yung
palabok flavor.
lapot na siya, malapot.
Nice. Tinapa.
Tinapa. Wow. Four yun na? Four?
Bread.
Bread? You have cake. You have cake already. Are you going to bake a bread again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yan.
Calling. Yay. Daitaan pinili pala ba? Put the red egg.
Red egg.
Pero bakit hindi na red? Hindi na siya red. Whoa.
Then, we put we're going to put the seafood.
Yep.
Dito.
That's the chili. Yan yung ano, chicharon. Parang magkakulay lang sila talaga. Pasensya na ho kayo, yung itlog naburak. Na-overcook. Okay, that's it.
Ito yun.
At eto na nga siya, yan. At katay kayo. That's it.
Red na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless you. Okay, may the Lord God bless you. May the Lord, may the Lord